Hello, today we are playing I Am Cat because I am cat. Although I prefer dogs. I know, but I prefer dogs. But today we're going to be playing, yeah. We are in a bed. Very comfortable, 10 out of 10. You come up here, should we be a good or a bad cat? You don't get an answer because I cannot hear you. Oh, Grandma! Grandma, what are you doing? What? You're not watching it. Grandma, you can't be watching other cats. That is breaking you. I don't like when you do. You know it. Now I'm gonna be a good cat. So Grandma's actually an animal abuser because you shouldn't hit your cats with frying pans. No, you shouldn't. Now, the cool things about this game is there's a taser. There's also a fish up here. And we're gonna drop down Batman's side. We're gonna feed her cookie. We're gonna feed her some cat food, because that's what all good cats do. Feed their owners cat food. There we go. She's already up. Hi, Grandma. Grandma? You can't hit me. I don't want you to, so I say no.
You're getting far from me.
Yeah. Ooh, your favorite balloon. Yeah. Oh, good Grandma. Ooh, looks like it fell. She loved me, guys. Don't want that on your desk. Oh, that might have fallen out. My fault.
You're getting far from me.
I can't fall from you. Grandma, you don't know how to say pronounce. Well, you do. You know how to pronounce it. You just don't know how to use it correctly. I don't like that. She at least allows me to do the pillows. Oh. Grandma, that one was an accident. That one wasn't, but that one was an accident. Okay.
You're getting far from me.
This one, oh, very nice. Oop. Oops. You know, go upstairs. Alright, so what we're gonna do is there's a safe up here, no? Yeah, it is. I said no, I don't like. You get the screen, yeah. And I can't really climb up. We need to get that open. Oh, these are some cool cats. I think those are cats. I'm gonna be so mad. Because, she might, what if she installs like a stair thing? She's gonna be so mad when she comes up here. How does she clean it up here? I just gotta drop it on my Alexa. So I'm gonna have to go. Alright. I need to come back. Because I have to. So when I jump, I'm gonna be so much taller. I'm gonna be, when I jump, I'm gonna appear in the kitchen. What the heck? What the heck? Why am I in the microwave? Get that button. No! I'm locked in the microwave. Didn't know this is how I'd die. Grandma! Let me out! I'll do some editing magic and I'll get out. Hey! Alright, and... Ugh. Oh, I made it out. Never going back in there again. Now, what do we need to do? We need to eat some fried chicken. There's only one way to eat fried chicken. That's to have chicken, a mouth, and to fry it. Yes. No, let me. Grandma, I'm cooking for you. Grandma. All the stuff is cleaned up. Grandma. But I didn't do anything. I guess Grandma's so stupid now. I'm gonna switch. Where's the chicken? Oh, it's on my mouth. We have to fry the chicken. This is the only way to fry chicken. At least in this game. Turn this on. Yeah, never let if you have cats, don't let them use these stoves. Like this is just, this is an oven. Don't let your cats use your stove. Oh, that's done. Now you can't just eat it like that. You obviously need to get a meat cleaver. Oh, look, new locations. Excited for those. And now you have a bone if you have dogs. And we can eat up the fried. I'm gonna give one to Grandma too. Because Grandma, I think we should be nice. I don't speak your language, Grandma. I speak English. I mean, meow. Meow. Meow, Grandma. You gotta pick me up. Come on. Pick me up. Pick me up. I have fried chicken. I made it myself. You like it? Oh my God, Grandma! What are you doing? Grandma, it's fried chicken! What do you mean it's bad? I mean it's just... Grandma, it's fried chicken! Can you not eat that? It was in your fridge. Grandma, I hate going upstairs because I know you can't come up here, but sometimes I have to because I don't want to get killed. If you hit me with the frying pan, I'll die. Anyways. Cats always land on two legs. Maybe because I only have two legs. Alright. What else do we have? It's cucumber, easy. Didn't I leave this one? Oh, I mean, I didn't log out of the game to log back, just to log back in because I was stuck in a microwave, but I said that I used magic to get out. No. It just closed because Grandma closed it. Eat that proper nutrition. Turn up the radio too, I guess. Louder. The heck does it want me to do? There we go. I'm gonna need to shut up. Need some back. Now what do we got? Cat detective. Find the toy car. I know what that is. Don't need to find it if I already know where it is. I like it. Called it a little bit less. Daily scratch? I already did, but go. Call it delicious. Now we're gonna make the word cat with T. We need red. The circle, so there might be a C. Isn't this, was it this way? Wait, what? No, we need this. Let's see. Oh, we can just use these. What? No, wait. Is there like oh, yeah. So we can just go up the easy way. So, smart. So you gotta be a smart cat. Unless you're not a cat. I suggest most people watching this are humans, which I am a human, but I'm being a little bad boy, and actually I'm a cat. So, I'm a cat. Yeah. In the game, I'm a cat. I don't know what I'm talking about. Cat. Now we need to find the flash drive, the green or the yellow one. I never found the green one. I see the yellow one. Now we need to log into Grandma's computer. I want it to code change. Grandma, you don't know nothing about what I'm doing. I'm just being a cat. What is it? It might have changed, so I'm gonna go back and look at it. I don't know if it changed. I feel like it should change. No, there. Beautiful Tuesday. There we go. I've gone into the computer. I've completed all your... Yeah! I guess we're gonna have to be a bad cat. Let's be a bad cat. So, that one was just not fitting. See? I could totally... This one is just way too... not. It's not. It's not. It's not. No! So I'm gonna take this. Yep, I'm a little cat modern. Grandma, you failed me.
Yes, I miss you.
Grandma goes to sleep. I'm gonna shave her head. I'm not doing it. How will you shave Grandma's head? Because I'm gonna use a razor, or whatever it's called. Not a razor. A hair cutter. Something. I don't know. I forget what it's called. I know what it's called, but I forget what it's called. You know what I mean? Yes, you know what I mean, because I'll make you know what I mean. I said you know what I mean, so therefore you know what I mean. Most of the other understanding. Oh my god. There it is. I'm calling it a razor. I literally said it like last night, so it was all done. So it's real awkward. Yep, go to sleep. A pure imagination. It's cool. You should go to sleep now. Go to sleep. Perfect. Thank you, Graham. Hey, Grandma? Yes, you look immaculate. Yeah, Grandma, you look good. be falling down. Oh, look. You gotta look. Chop my nails off. Grandma, you are looking great. Look at all that hair. Oh, Grandma, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to trim you down. This is my gloves. Yes, you had so much hair. When you'll regrow this before you know it. Sorry, but I gotta claw you up, make sure you don't forget me when I die. Not to say that I'm gonna die anytime soon, but I probably will. That's how you hit me with cans. But you cannot hit your cap with the drying rack. Grandma, you look good though. Tell me Grandma don't. Grandma, you're gonna be trying to hit me. I won't allow it. Grandma, you suck though.
Okay, fly, jump.
I know that. I know you're keeping this.
That's an ass count.
Oh no, you're on top of my tree. You look mad. You look mad. But I'm hungry. That's all. I can't care. I can't care when you're hungry. It's not easy to care when I'm hungry. Okay. I'm hungry. Hey, Grams. I'm hungry. Chuck that on. Act like I never made that. Grandma.
Зетрашка.
Oh, you just tried to hit me. I'm your cat. Fine. Fight fire? Actually, no. Fight fire with water. Yeah, but I don't know what you were thinking at all, man. So where I'm standing, I can break anything I want. No consequence. You also have the consequence. Because you have hit me one too many times. I'll take these. Oh, Grims. She's already up. You love to watch them grow. Oh God, you hit me. You hit me. I'm not gonna just let her hit me like that. Because it's animal abuse and I do not allow it. So because of you, Granny, because of you, I'm gonna turn your house into an utter distress. What if I have room? Precious books on the ground. On your prized possession. Along with it, your favorite plant. That was your favorite. I know your favorite. One of your favorite pieces of art. That's broken. Oh, you love your cactuses. Too bad it's broke. Can't love it. Why did you still love it?
You're going to for me.
That's your favorite plant. I know. Your favorites. Now why don't I do a little good? They can get the rest themselves. I'll save your favorite for last. Now I could just remove the side thing. Well, looks like I broke it. Oh man. Too bad I can't. I should too bad. Okay. Because you've hit me too much. And now I hit you. And that was my boss. That'd be too nice. With a frying pan. Yeah, I said that. With a frying pan. Grams, I'm a cook, right? The heck? Why are you gonna get mad at me? Oh, I can't allow you to have these. not how nice you'd be. Need these. Thank you. Yeah, that's how I could use them. But then, can't let you have those. I'll just take this. Thank you. Oh, remember how you're in Olympics, how you were an Olympics
You're
swimmer?
going to for me.
Guess what? The Olympic swimmer trophies can. We don't want them. That's what I'm gonna say. Oh, don't think I forgot about this one.
That's a task. You'll get far too for me.
Too bad.
You'll get far for me.
Too bad I don't care. But this Gucci hat is all the rage.
Alright.
Oh, my head is dying. Well, goodbye, people.